How to fix desktop icons not showing in Windows problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, right click on your home page and then go to view. Make sure the show desktop icons is checked. Tick. After that, go to your start menu and then go to desktop icon settings. If you cannot find it over here, go to display settings or simply settings, and then in the settings simply search for desktop icon settings. Go to themes and related settings, and then here you will see an option of desktop item settings. Simply open this, and then from there you will be able to turn it on, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.